So now let's see what are the different missions robot has to do on this game field. As we saw in the previous video, we have already done the randomization for this red cable and the marking blocks in the Caribbean and Pacific Ship Information Center. So now the first challenge the robot has to do is activating the solar panels. So one is this side, so it has to turn on the lever, and the second one is the other side, which is turning on the lever like this so that the panel should come up. So this is the first challenge. Second challenge is robot has to detect this red broken wire and pick it up, and then you have to drop in the recycling area, which is the blue area, and you have to make sure it is completely inside this blue area. Then next challenge is you have to drop this submarine white cables and submarine server objects in the Caribbean and Pacific hubs. So how you will do that? So you have to detect the marking blocks in the Ship Information Center. So if you have white block in, so this is basically the Pacific side. So in this side, if white marking block is on number 1, so you have to drop one white cable in the number 1 area, which is here, and again you have to make sure it is completely inside the box. And then if we see the black marking block is at number 3, so you have to drop the black server object in number 3 box like this. And then if you see the Caribbean side, we have the black marking block at number 2. It means the server object will go at number 2, and the white marking block is at number 4, so it will go at number 4. So this white cable will go at number 4. So these are the missions what you have to do. So basically after completing the challenge, once the robot will go complete everything, and then it has to come back in the start and finish area. So there is one very good change this year is the robot has to start completely inside, but no need to come completely inside when after finishing the challenge. So if a part of the robot is coming inside, basically if the projection of the robot, the top view, if it is inside the start or finish area, then also it is considered as your robot is inside the start and finish area. So you will get full points for that. So this is all about the different missions for the robot for this challenge. Thank you.